So, where are these so-called defectors that are gonna lead us to victory and ultimate evil? I don't know, but let's see who's home. This car's just sitting here. Oh! It's you! I knew it! There was rumors it was gonna be you. But they said there'd be a defector from the good side. I wonder where he is. Hello! If you were wondering who's the defector that's gonna lead you bums, to victory for once, it's me, Zizlak. That's right, that's my real name. You got a problem with that, buddy? Don't make me. You hear me? Don't make me. Don't ever push me. You either, buddy. I'm almost dropping the phone. And now, meet my bodyguard. And my successor, shall I fall in battle? He is nameless to you, for he still hasn't told me his name. Why are you looking at the camera like that? Only I get to look at the camera like that. Camera guy. Hey, he's putting it on me. I'm not trying to pose. Camera guy, come here. Slap him. Bitch. Next time, don't interrupt me while I'm pooping and stuff. And anyways, you, Mr. Webhead? Yes. Where's all your goddamn webs and stuff? What's going on here? Are we gonna even take this seriously? We're talking about He-Man. At least He-Man and Skeletor are probably teaming up now or something, now that I've defected.